Hi, I'm Anson and this is Mila. In this video, we're going to have ourselves a good old-fashioned duel. Mila and I are going to compare the effectiveness of natural home cleaners versus name brand chemical cleaners on different types of common household materials and see which one works best.
Many people assume that there is a trade-off between effective cleaning and safety, and that you can't have one without compromising on the other. So we are going to put this idea to the test and see if the natural cleaner can keep up or outperform with the name brand cleaner. Natural cleaners contain non-toxic ingredients that are safe to use in your home with children and pets around, while most name brand chemical cleaners use bleach, ammonium, and many other harsh toxins that can be harmful for humans and animals. It is so important, as we've all seen during the pandemic, to not only clean but also sanitize the surfaces in our homes. Sanitizing doesn't just remove dirt and grime, but also kills harmful germs and microorganisms that can deal with the most damage to our home and body.
For our chemical cleaners, we will be using 3 different popular name brands. One is a common multi-purpose household cleaner that contains harsh chemicals. Another one is a common cleaner that contains bleach. And the other is a popular window cleaner that contains ammonium, hexoxyethanol, and other harsh chemicals. Bleach, ammonium, and hexoxyethanol are all powerful industrial chemicals that are found in most common household cleaners. They do clean and sanitize well, but at a risk. These chemicals produce toxic fumes and can cause severe damage if inhaled or ingested, especially for children and pets, but also for those with asthma or lung issues. The natural home cleaner we will use is called Sizzle Strong. It's a multi-purpose household cleaner that uses essential oils, D-limonene, isopropyl alcohol, and chlorine dioxide, which both clean and sanitize but are also safe, non-toxic, and kill pathogens without presenting harm to humans. So let's see if the natural cleaner Sizzle Strong can hold its own against the name brand cleaners.
Test number 1. So the first test we're gonna do is going to be on grease and dirt. So our first one we're gonna test will be the natural cleaner, but we're not gonna disclose what is the natural cleaner and which one is the leading brand. Should we do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Perfect. I'm just gonna spray this.
Should we do a second coat?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know which one's cleaner.
Those are both pretty good results.
I think this one is.
All right, let's do our second sample.
Yes.
And then compare. This one definitely had a lot more grease buildup on it.
Yeah,
that's
yours
okay.
is dirtier than mine.
You'll remember that.
Yeah, mine wasn't as dirty as that one.
So let's compare. Say these two are pretty even.
Yeah.
This one, that's super clean. This one we had a lot more of dirt buildup on it, but still considering where we started out with it, I think it did a pretty good job.
Yeah,
so
I agree.
Now for test number 2. This one is going to be tricky, I think.
So test number 2, none of the products was able to get the food coloring off. So I would not recommend splashing food coloring on your carpets. It's a big no.
All right, let's do test number 3. All right, so for test number 3, we found this piece of machinery in our friend's warehouse. We drew a line right down the middle of it, and we're gonna go ahead and test the chemical cleaner versus the natural cleaner, the same one we've been using, Sizzle Strong. And yeah, we're gonna see which one does a better job, so let's get to work.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Well, can't see our line anymore, but that's okay. So there's our results. What do you think, Mila?
I don't know, I think it's a pretty close tie.
It is pretty close. I think when it comes to glass cleaning, we want to pay attention to which one gets the dirt off better, but also which one leaves more streaking.
Yeah.
And honestly, there's a little bit of streaking on both. I feel like maybe there's some more streaking on that end.
I agree.
So we'll probably say this one does a little bit better of a job, but they're both pretty good.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll give the victory to this one right here. All right, let's move on to find out what the results are. All right, so for test number 1, that was on the metal with the grease and the oil. We tested both the chemical cleaner and the natural cleaner and decided that the natural cleaner did a little bit better of a job. So that was 1 point to Sizzle Strong. And then for test number 2, that was the carpet with the food coloring and the paint on it. We decided that both of those products were a catastrophic failure, so don't use either one for carpet cleaning. And then for test number 3 on the glass, we decided that Sizzle Strong performed a little bit better because they both cleaned off the dirt pretty well, but Sizzle Strong had a little bit less streaking than the other one. So our final verdict is Sizzle Strong as the champion. These results prove that you can have an effective and toxic-free cleaner without the harsh chemicals, using ingredients that are safe for your home, children, and pets.
Let us know in the comments which cleaners you thought worked best or what your favorite cleaning products currently are. If you're interested in Sizzle Strong, visit the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos on health, fitness, home, and personal care, and natural alternatives. Thank you for watching. Okay, hold on.